just bleeded the front brakes on the DS. The right hand caliper is very easy to reach. The other one, well, yeah. So you need to take these 4 screws apart and lift this thing off, and then it's pretty okay to just, you can reach and you can see everything down there. So I bleeded the front brakes that was full of air and we're hoping that that was due to a too low level of LHM in the tank. So I just added half a liter. So I just gonna tidy up this little spillage there, and then we'll go for a test drive and see if this car has had an ongoing issue with the front brakes. You press the brake pedal and nothing happens, and then everything comes at the same time. So see what that is. Of course, it's due to air, but what does the air come from? I think we're gonna have a look at the height corrector next thing to do, because the car is still sinking pretty fast when parked. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Works. And I wanted to show you how fast it is, how fast it reacts on load. So we're gonna start it up now and show it. The height leveler is in driving position, lowest normal driving position, and the car is idling. I'm sitting down here, and let's see what happens. It lifts immediately, and when I unload the car, it goes down immediately. I have never seen such a fast response from the height regulator on any old Citroën. I've never seen it. It's always a long delay, but this is it's so fast. And it goes down. Recently, the DS engine has starting to misfire. I did an adjustment on the breaker points, and that cured the problem pretty well. But there is still some hesitating on a low RPM, especially when you driving uphill or in some way using the accelerator on low engine speed. So I think we're just gonna take this apart. This one has those SV Marshall, this cassette model, which I pretty much like, because these are very easy to adjust the angle, or what you call it, with this little screw there. The only thing is that I missed the hole in the side here. I think the SMs have, which has those original, you can actually set the breaker point gap when the engine is running. I would like to do it, because here you have to measure it when the engine is idling, discover that it's wrong, cut off the engine, take it back apart, do some small adjustments, and back and forward until it works. I would like to have a hole here. That would do this so much easier. But anyway, this point has been sitting here since 2011, and I've been driving like 7,000 kilometers with this car. So better change them. So I have a new set here, brand new. Just gonna show you a little issue with these ones. It can be pretty annoying. What happens when these new breaker points sit for a long time is that they get oxidized. So even if you put the new part in, it won't work. So you have to test it, and now they're apart, now they're giving contact, so I've just cleaned them with a piece of sandpaper, so seems to work. Let's put them in there. So now's the time when we would like to have a small hole in here, because then we could just adjust the dwell angle when the engine was running. Now we have to take it apart. So I'm probably gonna modify this to be able to do that as on the SM models. So let's see, I don't remember if it was in or out, so let's do quarter of a turn in there. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Or yeah, there it is. Put everything on there again. And this just flew away. Should have a better point there. Let's see what we got. Well, that was way out. 75. Okay, of course I did it the wrong way. The thing with this is that you get pretty fast taking it apart and then putting it back together again. So if I did 1/4 of a turn in, that will be like half a turn out. Let's see what we got. Go in there. And what did I do now? Where's the... No. There. And click. And let's see what we have now. Should fire up better. Yeah, it did. So that's close. That's like 53. Should be 55. Should we leave it that way? That's a low idle, but it's very stable. Oh. I'm gonna take it down so I get as close as possible. So just gonna do one more try. So I'm just gonna let the car go down to idling on second gear and then just full throttle on first barrel. There you go. Well, it doesn't feel that bad. I can't determine if there is any misfiring now. Oh, that was pretty good. Looks like it's okay now. Let's see how it behaves next time we put the trailer on the car. Are you satisfied, Saxo? Was that an okay test drive? Was that okay? Yeah, that was okay.
I love you.
just wanna